Top gaming laptops in 2021 offer similar performance to desktops while having a portable design that's easy to transport and store. These top gaming laptops pack features like high-capacity SSDs, powerful processors, and high-end graphics cards into a compact design that's easy to take on the road. In this video, I will show you this year's top gaming laptops across different price points that will play AAA games with so much ease. If you're new to our channel, you're most welcome. We've recently reached the 1,000 subscriber milestone and we're celebrating that with a huge giveaway. 5 subscribers will win iPhone 12 Pro once we reach our next milestone of 5,000 subscribers. To win, you simply need to do 3 things. Click that subscribe button. Smash the like button and comment meaningfully. That's it. It's that simple. Let's go hit that next 5,000 subs milestone. For more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's dive in. Opening the list at number 5 is MSI GS66 Stealth, 2021 edition, Best Versatile Design. The MSI GS66 Stealth is one of the thinnest laptops on this list, and with good reason. It's extremely portable with beastly hardware, and have some serious endurance. The laptop brings the stunning good looks we've come to expect from the Stealth line and beefs up the power with NVIDIA's new 30 series GPUs and a 1440p display with a super high refresh rate. The Stealth dazzles in ebony sandblasted aluminium and looks like it'd be a prominent tool in James Bond's extensive arsenal. The lid has just enough shimmer to pull you in while the black dragon emblem glimmers gently in the light. When you open the notebook, you get more of that sandblasted black aluminium deck. The keyboard sits in the middle of the deck in a slight recess. Directly below is the palm rest with a rather large touchpad. The top of the deck is occupied by a large vent grille. The performance is out of this world. Our reviewed laptop comes packed with a super fast 8-core 11th Gen Intel i7 processor, 16GB RAM, 1TB NVMe SSD, GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card. These beefy internals renders an amazing 2K display on a 15.6 inches screen with a 165Hz refresh rate, fast enough to enable you to see and react to every enemy's threat. The pros are sleek, attractive design, great gaming performance, excellent battery life. While the cons are, the keyboard could offer better feedback, requires manual GPU tweaking at times. Overall, MSI's GS66 Stealth with RTX 3080 GPU impresses with its fantastic QHD screen and overall quality. First, you've got a design that looks good anywhere. Next, you've got that powerful GPU and Core i7 processor for multitasking and an extra-large battery for those extended gaming sessions. At number 4 is Razer Blade 15 Advanced, 2021 edition, the best 2K laptop. 1080p gaming laptops may offer higher refresh rates, but once you've experienced the unrivaled pixel density of 2K in games and other productive usages, you'll find it hard to go back. Plus, with more and more high-resolution content becoming available through both gaming and video streaming services, it's making more sense than ever to consider a laptop with a QHD screen. The internals is beefed up with 10th Gen Intel Core i7, 8-core NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070, 16GB RAM, and massive 1TB SSD storage. The panel here is a 15.6 QHD display, running at a 240Hz refresh rate. It's one of the best laptop display you'll find for consuming entertainment and is especially suited for open-world games where graphical fidelity is a must. Razer has a penchant for designing absolutely gorgeous laptops, and the Razer Blade 15 Advanced is no exception. This sturdy machine is sleek and portable considering how many powerful components it packs. At 4.4 pounds, it's not as light as it looks, but it's not hard to carry for extended periods of time, either. As far as its appearance goes, the best word to describe the Blade 15 is sleek. It has a black brushed metal chassis, with a light-up Razer logo in the center of the lid. Open it up, and you'll find a screen with minimal bezels on the top, and a 10-keyless keyboard, 2 speakers and a large touchpad on the bottom. The metal chassis is, unfortunately, quite prone to fingerprints, and probably adds some weight to the overall design. Still, it's a lot more elegant and durable than a plastic model. The pros are sleek, lightweight design, great gaming performance, lots of ports. And the cons are lackluster touchpad and keyboard, fingerprint impressions on the body. Overall, the Razer Blade 15 Advanced combines a thin, lightweight design with great game performance. Just that it's a bit pricey. Entering the chart at number 3 is Alienware M15R4 2021 edition, the powerhouse for serious gamers. The new M15R4 is a powerhouse inside and out. It packs a serious punch with 10th Gen Intel Core i7, 16GB DDR4 RAM, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 graphics card and 1TB SSD storage. These great internals is paired with full 1080p HD with 300Hz refresh rate, 3 millisecond response time and 300 nits of brightness. It also covers 100% sRGB color gamut. While most gaming laptops tend to range from plain to over-designed, but the Alienware M15R4 manages to find a comfortable sweet spot. Our review unit had an elegant chassis, with hexagonal vents on top, a colorful Alienware power button, a tasteful geometric pattern on the lid and just a small protrusion for vents in the rear. The M15R4 doesn't look like a traditional work laptop, but it wouldn't look out of place in a slightly futuristic office, either. The 4-zone RGB keypad is a little crammed, making it more prone to substitution errors. However, the touchpad is amongst the best I have ever seen on premium gaming laptops. The pros are sleek design, strong performance, highly customizable. And the cons are fan gets very loud, short battery life. Overall, the Alienware M15R4 looks beautiful and runs games wonderfully well. Its powerful hardware should make this gaming laptop relatively future-proof. And the runner-up is Lenovo Legion 7 2021 edition, the best Ryzen laptop. It's no secret that AMD is giving Intel a run for its money in the CPU market. This Lenovo flagship laptop is yet another one of the growing AMD's gaming laptop in the marketplace today. It's packed with AMD Ryzen 9 5000 series processor, NVIDIA RTX 3080 graphics card, up to 32GB RAM and 2TB NVMe SSD storage. These powerful internals is paired with a 16-inch 165Hz QHD screen with 3 millisecond of response time covering 100% sRGB with G-Sync support. The Legion 7 follows the popular current trend of creating hybrid gaming laptops that tone down the traditional aesthetic in favor of something that could pass as a business device if required, as many working professionals may choose to use a laptop over a desktop. The slate gray aluminium chassis is exceedingly modern. The TrueStrike keyboard features PKI RGB lighting with Corsair iQ software. From our testing, we noticed that the Corsair iQ software drains the battery, something you should take note of. The touchpad is great and the thermal designs ensure optimal cooling for maximum performance. The pros are solid chassis and great build quality, quiet fans. And the cons? Some may find the design a little bland. The RGB Corsair iQ software drains the battery. Overall, the Lenovo Legion 7 is a heavyweight in its own rights. With its sleek, well-made chassis and plentiful features, this gaming laptop can play any AAA resource-intensive games without blinking an eye. And our number 1 spot goes to Asus Strix Scar 17 2021 edition, the overall best choice. This 2021 Asus ROG Strix Scar 17 is the most powerful full-size performance gaming laptop you can get right now with AMD Ryzen 5000 hardware and NVIDIA RTX 3000 graphics. Compared to the previous generation, this is silent and friendlier to use with daily multitasking and casual tasks. It is 10 to 20% faster in games and workloads, and significantly quieter. This laptop is smaller than the previous generation and there's customizable RGB backlighting on the ROG logo and the bottom panels of the laptop giving it a halo effect. It looks pretty cool at night. It has an optical mechanical keyboard that is clicky to touch, with per key RGB lighting, customizable via Asus proprietary Armoury Crate software. On display, there are different versions you can get with the Asus Strix Scar 17. You can opt for 1920 by 1080p Full HD 17.3-inch IPS panel with a 300Hz refresh rate, or a 2K panel with 165Hz refresh rate variant, which I would personally recommend. Its color accuracy is 100% sRGB on Full HD and 100% DCI-P3 on 2K. Combining this color accuracy with 300 nits of brightness makes this laptop an excellent option for designers and content creators. When it comes to performance, this laptop is in a league of its own. Packed with an AMD Ryzen 5900HX processor, alongside NVIDIA RTX 3080 GPU, 32GB of DDR4 memory, expandable to 64GB and 2TB NVMe SSD storage configuration that is RAID 0 compatible. And the pros are: interesting screen options, especially that 165Hz QHD, powerful hardware and solid performance across the board, long battery life. And for the cons: no card reader, Thunderbolt, webcam or biometrics. The clicky mechanical keyboard might not be for everyone. Overall, the ROG Strix Scar 17 is a good long-term investment for gaming aficionados and content creators alike. Offering unmatched performance across the board, the laptop will see you playing games that put it past regular desktops. That's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and deals on all the products mentioned in this video. Remember to join our next 5,000 subs giveaway by hitting that subscribe button and liking the video if you haven't done so already. 5 active subscribers will win iPhone 12 Pro once we hit 5,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.